How's it going,
dudes and dudettes?
This channel isn't dead. Anyway, I bought some sort of DJ headphones, so I thought why not make a video about it. Now, I'm not really a DJ by profession, but I have DJed a couple of parties before. But people attending those parties had absolutely shit taste in music, which I wasn't aware of. You know, the type of people who only come to parties for free food, or the 28-year-old man still living in their mom's house, that kind of people. So I don't take any of those parties into consideration. Anyway, these are the headphones. Then we get a big ass pouch and these two things for bigger holes, if you know what I mean. The build quality could have been better if they didn't use cheap ass plastic. Other than that, you're getting some cheap ass plastic sliders and soft cushion for the headband. I would not recommend stretching them out too much. I really like how portable these are too. You can basically fold them up and carry it in the pouch you receive along with the headphones. Ear cup cushions, on the other hand, are really soft, and the ear cups are large enough to go over my ear, which provides the noise isolation. Speaking of sound quality, you get deep lows, balanced mids, and detailed high. I'll recommend these headphones for media diet, mixing music, video editing, and even gaming. Based on what I said before, you can easily figure out the footsteps in games like Chicken Invaders and Pocket Tanks. Just kidding, games like PUBG, of course. So, it's been a week since I'm using these headphones, and one thing I would like to add is that when you put these on, it gets a little bit tight, which does provide excellent noise isolation. But if you won't position it properly after putting them on, your ears will hurt after 30 to 40 minutes. So make sure you put them on properly and position it around your ears. So that was the MXDJ 1000 headphones. If you guys enjoyed this video or this video helped you out in any way, hit the like button down below. Also, I'm more of a gamer than a tech guy, so maybe check out my channel. Till then, see you next time.